Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
My love, what is it?
I had a terrible nightmare.
What kind of dream was that?
I shot a pregnant woman.
Jesus Christ. This is a bad dream, oh. It's okay, hmm? Yes. Just a dream. Let's go back to bed. Hello, Uncle. How are you? And how is my mother? What? What happened to Mama? Please, can I talk to her? I can't? Hey, Uncle, is it that serious? Hey, Uncle. Okay, I'll be on my way. Yes, Joshua is around. Okay, alright. Joshua.
Are you okay? What's the problem?
I'm not. My mother is sick.
They called you?
Yes, my uncle just called me.
Is this serious? What's the situation like?
Yes, it is. Because my uncle said that I cannot speak with her. So I guess it's serious.
God.
Joshua, I need to travel to the village now.
My love, with what? With what?
Hey.
There is no money in this house. So what do we do?
Joshua, my uncle said my attention is needed now. Please. I need to go and see my mother. Please. Anyhow. Oh.
Joshua,
Sir?
what is it about?
Sir, please, I need your help about the money I told you.
Joshua, I have told you severally that I don't welcome this idea of parts payment. Sometimes I just forget the money.
Sir, please, this will be the last time, please. My in-law's life is at stake here. Help me, sir, please.
So how much do you want this time around?
Just 5,000 naira, sir.
Let this be the last time.
It will never happen again, sir.
Let it be the last time.
I promise.
Excuse me.
Mama, I'm back. Mama, open your eyes. It's me, Udoka. Mama. Mama, please. Mama, talk to me now, please. It's me, Udoka. Hey, Uncle, what kind of sickness is this?
Udoka, that is why I called you. We have to take her to the hospital. Eh? I don't know what to do. I don't know.
Hey, Mama.
Look, I'm tired. I don't know what to do. For me to call you, you know there's...
Mama, Biko, open your eyes, Mama, please.
Have a good day, sir.
Good day, sir.
Good day, Joshua. Please sit. Sit down. Beautiful Udoka.
Sir.
Your face is not bright. Why are you sad?
Sir, my mother is sick.
Oh, that reminds me. Your husband said something about that yesterday. So how is she doing now?
Sir, she's not fine.
Oga, that's why we are here. My mother-in-law is very, very sick, and the doctor said we must make a deposit of 800,000 naira before they can commence treatment on her.
800,000 naira is not a small money, and you know it. By the way, what kind of sickness is that?
Sir, the doctor said so many things. I've forgotten the name of the particular one he mentioned. Can't remember.
Well, it's okay. Joshua, what exactly do you want me to do for you now?
Oga, please. I want you to lend me the money and be deducting it from my salary.
Joshua, you want me to borrow you the 800,000 naira?
Yes, sir.
And then I should be deducting it from your salary?
Yes, sir.
But do you know how many years of your salary is that?
I have not calculated it, sir. But let me save my mother-in-law's life first, please.
Sir, please help us. Personally, I will be indebted to you, sir. Please.
Udoka, that is not the point. 800,000 naira cannot be anything less than 5 years of your husband's salary. And my problem is, how is he going to cope with that?
Oga, please. I will cope, sir. Trust me, I can cope. Please, we need this money. Let's save my wife's mother, please.
Sir, please. Please, sir.
Well, if you say so, I will think about it. Please sit. This girl is funny. I am indebted to you. In what way? How is she going to do that? Nah, man. This girl is beautiful. She's a special meal for kings like me. Wow, no. She's too good for paupers like Joshua. I will take over. Yes, I will take you over. I will take over. It's obvious she likes me. Yes.
Please, just say yes to my proposal. And our wedding date will be fixed.
Philip, I thought you understood what I told you.
See, it's marriage you're talking about here, not relationship, huh?
I know, but I cannot leave Joshua. I love him, and he loves me too.
Doka, see, name anything in this world. Now I will do it for you. I love you. I just want you to be my wife.
Philip, try and understand. I like you. I really do. But I'm sorry I cannot marry you. I have somebody in my life, and that is Joshua. I really love him. Please.
See, here you come again with love, love. Did he propose to you?
Philip, the bond between us is love, not some marriage proposal.
You know what? Just keep this for your upkeeping.
Bless this boy. Chuku gozienya.
Amen.
God bless him more. How much is it?
I've not counted it.
Hey. Oh, make out now.
Mama.
Yes?
Mama, there's something I want you to do for me.
What is it?
Mama, please, help me talk to Philip. Tell him that I will not marry him.
You have come again. Eh?
Mama, please. You people should stop giving him hope. I've tried to let him understand that I will not marry him. But because of the encouragement and hope you people are giving him, he would not listen to me.
Encouragement and hope we are giving him? But you're the one that collected the money from him now.
Mama, I didn't ask for the money. I did not.
But you collected. That is encouragement and hope. Ha! Izwe.
Mama, please now. Help me out, please. Mama. Mama.
I'm coming. I'm counting. Yeah. Now I can't remember what I counted. I have to start again. I called you to discuss something very important with you. Woman to woman. One-on-one. I am your mother. I conceived you. And I carried you for 9 months and gave birth to you. Ever since your father died, I have been the one taking care of you. I fed you. I paid your school fees until now that you have become an adult. All my life, I have suffered. I have taken very good care of you. I need someone to now take care of me. Mama, please, let me finish. You see that young man? That young man will make you proud. He will take good care of you. He will take care of us. Look at us. We thank God that your father left a roof over our head. But what about feeding? What about clothing? I know what I went through to put you through school. Yes, I know what I go through to put food on the table. It's not easy for me. I need you to look at that man because he can get us out of this situation.
Mama, you're a woman.
I did not call you here to trade words with you. Do you understand what I'm saying? Just think about it. Look, you know what is right. And I believe you will do what is right.
What you are doing in the city is not working well, then come back home. Come back home and join me in farming. Or we still look for other things to do. 2 years, you got married. No issue. You find it difficult to feed your wife and yourself. I think they say when a man gets married, his blessing will overflow.
That's when you marry the right person.
Wait. Are you trying to say that you didn't marry the right person? Huh?
Yes, I did. Joshua, how much is the money you want me to lend to you?
800,000 naira, sir.
800,000 naira is not a small money, and you know it. I'll lend you the money, but before then, you will sign an agreement for me.
Thank you very, very much, sir. In fact, you just saved the soul. Thank you very, very much, sir. I will sign whatever you want me to sign. I will sign. In fact, I'm ready to sign it now, sir.
You don't have to worry about that. We'll come to that later.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. God bless you for me, sir. Thank you very, very much. Thank you, sir.
Hello, Uncle. My husband and I are trying our best. By tomorrow, we'll see what we can do. Yes. I believe God. Please tell him by tomorrow I'll be there. Okay, just assure him, just make him understand. Alright. Thank you. Oga, Biko, no. Biko, my mother is dying. If there's anything you want my husband to do for you, he will do it. Biko, please, please, sir.
I have told your husband what to do. Let him sign the agreement for me. You tell your husband to sign the agreement and I will lend him the money.
Agreement?
Yes, let him sign the agreement. I will lend him the money.
Joshua, so you actually want my mother dead?
Why would I want your mom dead?
Don't give me that crap, because you know what I am talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, I'll tell you. Did Oga Emma give you a new agreement to sign? Answer me!
Yes, he did, but I refused to sign.
Oh, wait. You are indirectly telling me to my face that you want my mother dead?
No, I don't say
Joshua, if anything happens to my mother, I will never forgive you.
Lack of money, yeah, put everybody. Lack of money, yeah, put everybody. What can he fail? What can he fail? What can I fulfill? What can he fail? I'm gonna to be a man. It's not a danger. Never a danger. Jubulis managana mapambanua. Kinyalanya kasnanga hazu. God please help managana mapambanua. God help us the hazu. Uchimo managana mapambanua. Cause I'm gonna hustle. Afufu wewe manakele mwakwando nuwa. Afufu wewe niye haso. Agadadaka anyekwachi obanego agelie agegota shena monio ahonwa pyakutego kini kangebe ego.
Udoka, you're welcome.
Why are you standing out like this?
Where's your husband?
He didn't come with me. Oh, yes. How is Mama?
What did you just say?
Which of? I said he has given me the money.
Are you serious?
Yes, Uncle.
Oh, ese chito kabia maso. Akirigiso, ugwanya gama. Oh, akirigiso, ugwanya gama. Ese chito kabia. Udoka, oh my daughter.
Joshua,
Sir,
it seems your wife has not come back.
no sir, she's not back yet.
Have you heard from her?
Yes, she called me and said that they have started treating the woman.
Oh, but thank God for that.
Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome.
Lack of money, yeah, put her in Barry. Lack of money, yeah, put her in Barry. What can he say? What can he say? What can I do?
Uncle, why are you doing this now? You are a man. You need to be courageous.
What are we going to do now? What do we do?
Uncle, don't worry. God will make a way where there is no way. Everything will be fine. I believe God. I believe him. Let's go inside.
No. I am the only survivor brother she has. I can't even do anything to save her. Do I call myself a man?
Uncle, it's okay. It's alright. Let's go. Stop. It's okay. Let's go inside, please.
Keboga pusiche. Nama bron mo preache.
Chair.
The doctor is calling me.
Uncle, you had her. Let's go. Let's go and know why the doctor is calling us. Uncle, let's go and see the doctor now. Let's go.
Udoka.
Beautiful Udoka.
Good evening, sir.
You're back from the village?
Yes, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
How is your mother?
She's fine. She's better now.
Okay.
Sir, thanks a lot. Thank you for what you did for us. May God bless you.
Oh, well, thank God.
We're indebted to you. Thank you.
It's all right. Please, sit down.
No, I just came back and my husband said he's hungry, so let me prepare something for him. I got this ready, sir.
What is this? What is that? Oh, fruits. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir. So I should be on my way. Thank you, sir. Talk to me, what is it? Do you have a problem with your guy, man? My love, I don't like seeing you like this. A problem shared is a problem solved. Please talk to me.
I am not comfortable. I don't feel like you're real.
Shh. I feel you. You are a man. And I love you so much. I cherish you. I adore you. You're the only man that makes me happy. Trust in God. It will make a way where there is no way.
Thanks for your words of encouragement. I'm strong again.
It's okay. I love you.
I love you more.
He said I should prepare dinner for him.
He said you should prepare dinner for him.
Yes. He gave me this money. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You're not. Don't lie to me.
I said I'm fine.
You're not comfortable with the idea, right?
Go ahead and prepare dinner for him. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Trust me.
What can I do for what can I feel? What can I feel? What can I feel? What can I do for what can I
Well, I can see the food is ready.
Yes, sir.
But where is your spoon?
I'm not hungry yet.
Oh, don't tell me that. Because you are going to eat with me.
But, sir...
No birds. Except you don't want me to eat this food again.
Okay, let me go home and get something. I'm coming back. I'll join you.
And I say no. Probably you want to go and tell your husband that I asked you to eat with me.
No, sir. I just want to go and...
Then sit down and eat. I want you to eat with me, okay? Sit down.
I'm not hungry.
On me. No harm is meant, okay?
Lack of money, yeah, put everybody. Lack of money, yeah, put everybody. What can you feel? What can you feel? What can I feel? What can you feel? But when I to be a man, it's not a danger.
Let me take my own, don't worry.
No, I want you to take this. Don't say no.
No, sir. I don't like people feeding me. I even reject my husband's son.
Oh, but I'm not your husband. I am the boss, and you know it. Yes, come on, take it. Don't say no. Better. Come on. That is it.
Lack of money, yeah, put everybody. Lack of money, yeah, put everybody. What can you feel? What can you feel? What can I feel? What can you feel? But when I to be a man, it's not a danger.
What took you so long?
I'm sorry. He forced me to eat with them.
And you did?
Yes. I had no choice.
And you never didn't try to bring some for me?
Sorry, should I go and get you some? It's delicious.
Don't worry, I'm fine.
Are you sure? Okay. Have you taken your bath?
Yes.
You couldn't wait for me.
I thought you would bet there.
Are you serious?
I was just joking, I'm not even betting.
Joshua.
Sir.
You don't have to worry. Go back to the office. When I'm done, I'll call you, okay?
Okay, sir.
You're frowning. Are you angry or something?
No, I'm fine, sir. No, I'm fine. After all, it's an agreement.
Good.
Agreement is agreement.
Better. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Lack of money, yeah, put everybody. Lack of money, yeah, put everybody. What can you feel? What can you feel? What can I feel?
Excuse me, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Beautiful Udoka.
Sir?
You're always looking beautiful.
Yes, sir. Sir, please, where's my husband going to?
Oh, he's going back to the office.
Office?
Yes. He will be back soon.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
God, please help God help us to the hustle. gonna Bobambanua. I would you man gonna hustle. Afufu wewe managana Bobambanua. Afufu wewe man gonna hustle.
I don't understand.
You don't understand? Are you telling me you don't like me? Is that what you're telling me?
Hey. Ogaima, I still don't understand though.
Udoka, every good turn deserves another. Don't forget. Yes.
Hey. Ogaima, it's me you're talking to. As in Joshua's wife.
I know. And that is why I'm telling you not to be afraid. Why are you behaving like this? Why are you surprised?
Is this why you called me here?
Yes, that is why I called you here.
Okay. Is my husband aware?
Your husband is aware of it. And that is why I've been telling you not to be afraid.
Lack of money, yeah, put everybody. Lack of money, yeah, put everybody. What can he fail? What can he fail? What can I fulfill? What can he fail? It's not danger. To be a man. It's never a danger. Chupoli sanagana Bobambanua. Kinyala nyaka Sangane hazu. God please help managana Bobambanua. God help us Sangane hazu. Ewuchima managana Bobambanua. Ewuchima lack of money, yeah, put everybody. Lack of money, yeah, put everybody. What can he fail? What can he fail? What can I fulfill? What can he fail? I'm gonna to be a man. It's not a danger. To be a man. It's never a danger. Chupoli sanagana Bobambanua. Kinyala nyaka Sangane hazu. God please help managana Bobambanua. God help us Sangane hazu. Ewuchima managana Bobambanua. Ewuchima Sangane hazu. Afufu wewe managana Bobambanua. Afufu wewe managana hazu.
Joshua, so you signed an agreement for Oga Ima to sleep with me, right?
That was the only option left. There was nothing I could do.
There was nothing you could do that you had to sign an agreement for another man to sleep with your wife.
Listen, my love, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay?
Don't you ever touch me. Now I know the kind of man I'm living with. You have shown me your true color.
Remember what you told me? That you will never forgive me if anything happens to your mom. And remember, I was insisting on not signing that agreement. That was the only option left. Don't you understand?
Then why didn't you tell me?
It's difficult to say.
Joshua, you opened this thing you called mouth to tell me that it was difficult for you to say. It's alright. It's okay. Now listen and listen very good. Tell that man, your Oga or whatever you call him, to stay away from me. Because I wouldn't want to do something that I will regret. Or better still, you signed the paper with your hands, right? Sleep with him. Nonsense. Stupid thing!
Can you find your mom on the phone? I'm Amazon there, no, I have a
Lack of money.
Listen, baby, we can't keep.
Lack of money.
Ogaima, I sent a message to you through my husband. Didn't he deliver the message to you?
I had several discussions with him. Which one are you talking about?
Okay, I'll tell you. I told him to tell you to stay away from me because I wouldn't want to do something that I will regret.
Are you people playing on my intelligence or what?
Exactly. I mean, that's what it seems. As you can see, he's not yet back. Probably it's the plan between both of you.
Oh, because your mother is well now, you're talking to me like this, right?
Far from that. I was not aware of the agreement you made with him. Besides, I know what is good for me.
You're such an ingrate. That is what you are.
Hey, Oga Landlord, don't get me wrong, oh. I appreciate what you did for us. But I can never sleep with you because of that. Why are men so wicked? You lend money to your driver that have served you for years now and made an agreement with him for you to sleep with his wife on top of the money that will be deducted from his salary. Oga Ima, if you were that man, how will you feel?
I am not that man, and I will never be. Now listen to me. The way it is so hard for you to do this is the same way it was hard for me to release that money. I released that money because of the agreement I had with your husband, of which you are aware. So?
Okay, I can't do what you want me to do. And I don't want to talk about this again. Please leave my house.
Are you asking me out of my house?
Oga Landlord, I know this is your house, but my husband is working for you, so get out. Yes.
So which soup will you prepare today?
Your favorite, of course.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
My life is in your hands today.
Trust me, I'll make something special.
Alright.
Okay.
See you later, okay?
Alright.
It's not in danger. To be alone. It's never a danger. To police Managana Mapambanua. Kinyalanya God, please help Managana Mapambanua. God help us. God the hustle. Uchima Managana Mapambanua.
Joshua.
Sir, please. Trust me. I will personally bring my wife for you today.
I have told you, if at the end of today and nothing happens, you will pay me back my money. It is not a threat.
Please, sir, you can count on me. I must bring my wife for you today.
Lack of money, yeah, put everybody. Lack of money, yeah, put everybody. What can you feel? What can you feel? What can I feel? What can you feel? If I wanted to be a man, it's not danger.
I'm back.
It's never.
Baby. Baby.
Lack of money, yeah, put everybody. What can you feel? What can you feel? What can I feel? What can you feel? If I wanted to be a man, it's not danger.
PIUS.
Okay. Did you see my wife? Your wife. Hey, I see your wife. Oh. I see him. She carry one big bag. They pass. So now I come the ask and say, Udoka, where you dey go? Udoka, where you dey go? She no even open mouth talk anything. Ebe kenaga, wolo. She no even talk.
You mean my wife?
A big bag.
PIUS, listen. If I'm gonna ask you, tell him nothing. Do you understand? Don't even tell him you saw my wife leaving with the bag. PIUS, do you understand?
No be frame I carry, my ear I carry. Everything enter. No be frame.
Do you understand?
I dey hear you very, very well. Please. It's okay. It's okay. No be frame with this, my ear. If Oga told you interview see my daddy, if I no go school, coming up.
Shame money, I want to put can you come give me a good money, up mano. Ego baligo. Money matter, confusion, mano. Money matter, confusion, mano. Lack of money, yeah, put everybody. Lack of money, yeah, put everybody. What can you say? What can you say?
Yes. Take.
What can I do? What can you say?
Hey, Mama.
How's your husband?
He's fine. He sent his regards.
You didn't even call me to let me know you're coming.
Mama, must I take permission before I come to my own father's house?
Oh, Imeligo Nanka.
How is our Uncle Felix?
He's fine, thank you.
Okay.
They're moving. Go back.
Okay, please. I promise I'll go and bring her back myself.
Now let me tell you something you don't know. If you don't provide my 800,000 naira, I'll make sure you rot in jail. Now, officers, take him out of here. I'll make sure that nobody bails him. Move! My friend, will you move? Get out!
Please, I promise to bring her back.
I'll be with you soon in the office. Idiot.
Oga, please. Oga, please. Oga.
Lack of money, yeah, put everybody. Lack of money, yeah, put everybody. What can we say? What can we say? What can I do for? What can we say? I'm not gonna to be a man. It's not a danger.
PIUS, close that gate. I said close that gate.
Okay, close the gate.
Be fast about it.
Ah, okay.
Close it. Huh? Close the gate fast.
Okay, not enough like the right. Another one day. Huh? Who be that? You don't get name? Huh?
Allow me to go inside.
Go inside where?
Only Marazim. Is my brother not in?
Your brother is not in.
And the wife is inside.
Who tell you? Who tell you? The wife no dey.
PIUS, any problem?
Okay, in fact, yes, problem dey. But person no die. Your brother wife carry bag come up for this place. So we don't look for him, we no see him. We don't even go all the whole TV station, go make report. They no see him. Radio station go announce, they no see him. Even go ask Google. Google say no know where he dey. Now my oga confess, can't use police, can't arrest your brother.
Jesus Christ. Police? What did my brother do?
He asked me. He asked me what your brother do. How I want to take no? How I want to take no what your brother do? You know, they not the question on the open network.
Do you know the police station?
How I want to take no the police station? I even they complain for the one way asked me where I never even answer you. In Akwasema also. See, man, I tell you, this face look this face very well. This face be like witch. This face be like Google when you go ask anything. How I want to take know where your brother did, the police station.
Joshua one name. Okay, did he fight with his wife?
Another question. You know they try to ask questions. And all the questions where they ask me now, questions where they come on network for person face. Which how I want to take know whether they fight or they no fight. When you know say here in my department, I don't get business inside. Yeah? Okay, the only thing be say I see your brother wife, he carry bag. Tika. Udo kebe kenaga. Udo kebe kenaga. Before you know, she don't come out. Now as Oga look, you know they see him. Oga can go use police. Can go arrest your brother. Then be waiting happen.
What kind of problem is this now?
Another question.
The numbers are switched off.
How I want to take no?
Hey God, okay, when him game me. Okay, let me go inside now. Let me go and wait.
Go inside where? Inside where?
Guess one in the mirror now.
You want to go inside where? See, I tell you, if like say this place where they collect small salary, or that they go be. You know how busy they here they collect small salary. You want to enter inside this place?
Okay, where do you want me to stay?
See, make I tell you, my oga say make I no allow anybody. Even if the person like make you wear animal skin, fat or slim, oga say make I not allow anybody enter inside this place. Enania.
But your oga know me now. Happen come back. Can you never take it?
What's your problem? Yeah?
What do you want me to do?
Go motherless baby home. Now there are people where they stranded, they go stay.
You are lucky because my brother is not inside.
I be lucky.
Don't worry, him can make it.
I be lucky. Yes. Let me tell you, may I tell you. See, may I tell you, I don't be lucky. I be PIUS. Why you tell me say I be lucky? Yeah, I am lucky. I don't be lucky. I be PIUS, in case you don't forget. But you're not joining that you know. More than I don't change my name, Lucky. From PIUS to Lucky.
No, I don't know. I don't need to know.
Ginika, right?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
And why are you crying?
PIUS told me that you arrested my brother.
Oh, yes, I did. Your brother breached our contract.
Bikon, please. Bikon, wow. Whatever he did, I assure you that he will make it up to you. Bikon.
If your brother can make it up to me, fine. I don't have any reason to suffer him in prison.
Bikon. Please.
It's okay. PIUS, it's okay. It's all right. It's all right. Take it easy. And young girl, what do you want?
Oh, God, please. Bikon, I want you to release my brother.
Go and ask your brother whether he's ready to do what I ask him to do.
Bikon.
Go and ask him.
Please, Bikon. Bikon.
Come, I heard the English way speak. Oh. I heard them. Why? I heard them. Huh? The English way gonna speak. He said, go and tell your brother. Move and tell your brother. Joma, go and tell you. Huh? And what be naga? Huh? Go ask your brother. Go ask your brother. Go ask your brother. Go ask. Go. Go ask your brother. Go ask. Go ask your brother. Go ask your brother.
Brother Joshua, why are you here?
My sister, I don't know. My Oga woke up this morning, arrested me, and here we are.
How can he arrest you without you committing anything?
That is what I still don't understand.
Brother Joshua, don't lie to me. Don't lie to me because your Oga asked me to come and ask if you're ready to do what he said you should do.
Fine. So why didn't you ask him to tell you what was that?
Brother Joshua, Bikon, tell me now. Let me go back to him. He's ready to hear from me, please. Bikon.
I did nothing, okay? Meanwhile, I want you to do me a favor. Go to Udoka's house and find out if she's there.
Brother Joshua, did you fight with your wife?
No.
Then what is going on?
Just go and see if she's there.
Okay, if I go there, what will I do?
If you see her, come back and tell me.
Brother Joshua.
Go now.
Brother Joshua.
Go! Your time has expired. Leave this place.
Take me back, I'm losing it.
Lack of money, yeah, put everybody.
Ginika!
Hey, Jideba! So you are here comfortably sweeping the compound while my brother is in the cell dying?
Ginika, what happened to my husband?
Hey, Jideba! Don't ever touch me without your filthy hands! Utoka! What did you do that made Ogima to arrest my brother?
Ginika! What did you just say?
Mama, what happened? Ask your daughter, Mama. Chukwa your daughter. Ask her what she did and made Ogima to arrest my brother.
Udoka. Mama, I don't know what she's talking about.
Can you just explain to me in simple words what is going on?
Mama. Yes. Your daughter knows what she did that made Ogima to arrest my brother.
Udoka, what is it that you did? Tell me.
Mama, I swear, I don't know what she's talking about. Ginika, what are you saying?
What exactly happened?
Mama, I don't know. All I know is that Ogima arrested my brother and your daughter knows about it.
When you came back here, I asked you, simple ajuju, why did you come without informing me? You told me, must I take permission before I come to my father's house? I'm leaving.
Ginika.
If you did John Naga, if you did John Naga, I'm not chasing you. If you did anything, let me know. I didn't do anything.
Lack of money, yeah, put everybody.
Joshua, what did you do to him? Eh? Talk to me now, please.
You don't need an answer to that question. Because you already know what the problem is.
Udoka, did you hear him? Did you hear what he said? But you denied to me woefully that you don't know anything about it. Brother Joshua, please tell me now. Biko no. Tell me what happened. Let me know who to hold responsible, please, brother. Huh? Tell me. Brother Joshua, tell me. Udoka. Somebody should say something now.
You don't do that!
Officer, you will not understand.
Understand what?
Joshua. So my sister, that was what happened. If my husband had told me before signing that agreement, I wouldn't have accepted it.
So, what are you going to do now?
I don't know. Seriously, I don't know. But one thing I know is that I can't do it. No, I cannot. It's not possible. I won't.
Udoka. Our parents died when we were young. And since then we have been suffering till date. Joshua is my father. He is my mother. He is my brother. He is my sister. In fact, he is the only person I have in this whole wide world. If anything happens to my brother, you will never live to see the next day, I promise you.
God forbid. Ginika, I say God forbid. Nothing will happen to my husband. Why are you sounding like that now? Come to think of it. Wait. Are you advising me, your brother's wife, to sleep with another man because of money? Is that what you're insinuating?
It's not because of money. It's not because of money, it's because of life. Joshua's life is involved, can't you see?
Ginika, nobody's life is involved. Once Ogaima is tired, he will ask the police to release my husband. Yes.
I see. Now I see how deep in love you are with my brother.
Did you call that love? No. Did you call defiling myself to save your brother from police cell love? Ginika. Your own definition of love is different. If you were in my shoe, what would you have done?
I would have done it, Tete. Trust me now. What is there? I would have done it before now. Just less than 5 minutes and everything will be over. And the next person seated close to you will not know what happened. Come on, think about this. Mwanyama. Please now. Please. Please, just do it. Do it, let's help Joshua. Joshua is your husband. He's my brother. Just do it, there's nothing there. After that, wash it. Nobody will know. It's Anya. Such a poor mama. Please. Mama, please. Please now, help me. Are you crying? Do you want me to start crying too?
What can I do?
Come. Yes. I want to ask you something.
What is it?
Okay. What in Joshua do, Oga? We make Oga do what in India?
PIUS. He's owing him.
Just like that. You can't go jail. Because of who?
Yes. Have you heard another thing?
Yes, so I hear another thing. I hear another thing. This ear where you see, no be frame. Now ear, I think I hear something. I hear something. You see this way you carry? This thing. This is the way you carry. You no get meter. You know they read at all. Anyhow we like make it take user. You know they read. You see as me and you do like this now. Even if you remove cloth, we do bend down select. We do finish. You wear your clothes. Nobody for this world could ever know say me and you do something. You got that? So I hear when Oga they tell barrister, say barrister, take Joshua go court. Barrister carry Joshua go court. Barrister. Now I can say, you no say if Oga carry Joshua enter court. From court, did you or did you not? You know say all this English where cut him all this lawyer they speak. Did you or did you not? Right, Joshua go to Nanga. Jail. And if he enter jail, this your eyes no go see Joshua.